hello, hello, hello. Welcome. I hope you're doing good. I hope you're having a fantastic day. It is nice, to be out. It is a long weekend in Germany. So Saturday, Sunday, Monday, and Tuesday are off. Yeah, like if you take a vacation day. So yeah, I decided to go on a little trip, and I'm excited. It's I'm try to visit like various castles and then go camping as well. I am fully packed this time, so we'll see how it goes. But I'm excited. Normally, it's end of October, beginning of November, this long weekend. So All Saints Day and so on. Normally I expected like colder weather, but apparently at the moment it is 19 degrees and tomorrow the forecast is 25. So it is ridiculous, to be honest. I expected like something colder. I have my cold sleeping bag. I bought some new stuff for camping. I will try it out. Hopefully I will show you as well. But if it's actually like this, obviously not the night, but then I'm gonna be sweating. I went on a camping trip about three weeks ago or something, like with a friend. I didn't record any footage because it was just me, him and his dog. So the dog would have been cute though, but besides this was just a relaxing time, no footage. But yeah, this time I'm gonna record, hopefully. Hopefully it will work. So yeah, I have all the new stuff with me, so I'm excited. It is so nice out. It's still so so green. Normally when it was November, then it looked a bit different. But everything is changing, everything is changing. But anyway, I'm happy to be out. I'm glad to be back. Hopefully with a short trip. Should be 3 days ish of videos. We'll see how it turns out. You never know, but it is great. It feels so good. It feels really, really good. And actually the hard part to go camping in Germany is to find a camping place. All the camping spots close like around September and so on, and then they are done for the season. It's a bit different in Germany than in other countries. So hopefully the ones I found, they are open, and then you need to check, like if you arrive on a Sunday, they might be they're maybe not open on the Sunday, and then on Monday is the bank holiday, or Tuesday, depending on the region you live in Germany. And so yeah, it's a bit tricky to find camping places, and wild camping is not allowed in Germany, so it is a bit tricky. But hopefully the ones I checked on the website, they said like, okay, yes, we have lunch break from this time, but we are open all year long, with some exceptions, like some closed for like a short period in winter, something for maintenance and stuff like this. So we'll see how it turns out. But at the moment I can tell you my leg is killing me, my right leg, because I had an accident on a bicycle actually. Crazy, not on a motorcycle but on a bicycle. I was on a road, I was going down a hill, normal like in the city, and then my front tire just slipped and I crashed, and I hit my knee pretty hard. Had some rashes here and there, so it's nicely healing. But whenever there's a lot of pressure on the knee, like when there's an angle to the knee, or like when you sleep in a bed and you sleep on your belly, for example, then it kind of hurts. So yeah, we'll see how it turns out. It should be good. I'm stretching from time to time to release the pressure and the pain. So yeah, I will definitely keep an eye on it. Well, anyway, that's it for this intro. We'll check with you in the next update. Talk to you soon. let's look for the camping spot. Should be that far away, like 4 minutes or something. We are in Kelbra, and there should be a lake nearby, and that's where the camping spot is. Let's hope we can find it easily and they have a spot. Okay, let's check in. We are at the camping spot. I hope the woman wasn't clear where I can camp. She said like in front of the water, and this looks like water to me, or next to, you know, the toilets and whatever. So I decided to go in front of the water. It will be rather cold at night, I think, because, you know, the mist and everything from the water will come up towards the tent, but I should be good, you know. Oh, this is actually super nice. Yeah, that's super cool. This is my camping spot. I picked a place for myself. I don't need to talk to people. Yeah, so now it's time to set up the tent. It was 22 euros, 22.50 or something. And then you get 10 euros back when you give back the chip card to open the door and whatnot. So yeah, now time to set up the tent, and we'll see how it goes. This over. Your stuff I changed, and now it's time to set up the inside. Needs to go nice in there. Might not be the best spot, but let's see. Oh, I think that's a pretty good view. Time for some dinner. You know, it's 6, no, it's 6:30. It is getting cold outside and it's very wet already. So yeah, we will make some rice, and I've prepared some, you know, some bags with like 1 portion of rice, and then some normal spaghetti sauce, you know, some tomato sauce, I think. Yeah, but it's already, you know, cold out, and I will have a look outside. You know, I already have my headlamp out. It is actually not too cold, but it's very wet already, so that's why I closed my tent. But that's normal when you camp near the water. And tomorrow morning it should be all misty, you know, should be like super foggy and so on. But yeah, you probably can't see anything. But yeah, still near the lake, sun is going down. And lots of bird noise, you know. But it's actually, you know, super nice. And the light in the distance, or not so far distant, it's my tent. Unfortunately, I forgot my tarp for my motorcycle, but it is fine, you know. And now we just need to wait until the water is cooked, put in the sauce in the rice, and then yeah, should be very straightforward. The thing what I need the most is probably water, so I've already went through 1.5 liter water just for cooking tea and coffee and so on, and now for rice as well. But yeah, I will probably need a bit more water, we'll see. But so far I'm doing good. I'm looking forward to the night. Lots of small animals in my tent already, but yeah, looking forward to the night. Good morning, everyone. I hope you had a good night. Mine was mixed, I would say. But time to, you know, eat something. As you can see, everything is different. It was very cold this night, so I put the blanket under my bed and then pulled the blanket on top of me. I don't know, I was somehow cold and yeah, I don't know. It was not the best night I had, that's for sure.
Good morning again. Hopefully. I never know how the you know the recordings turn out. So yeah, I left the camping space already. So it is 9:48, and yeah, my clocks are all messed up, you know, because of the clock change during the night and so on. So yeah, it is absolutely gorgeous. You know, it's a fantastic day. It's 13 degrees right now, so it's a bit on the colder side, but it's going all the way up to 25. However, I'm heading home, so nothing too exciting happening, I think, on the way back. To be honest, it's like 2 hours of you know, some weird roads and whatnot, so nothing too crazy. But the camping was pretty nice. It was cold during the night, and I have some ideas how I'm gonna fix that. And it was loud, that the birds were like, oh my god, the bird noise during the night, holy moly, you know. But luckily I have earplugs, so but you know, I'm not used. I'm a light sleeper, so like every tiny bit of noise kind of disturbs my sleep. So but overall, you know, after I fixed the bed and had like a good idea of what I want to do and how I want to sleep, then it worked out fine. I got a decent amount of sleep. Yeah, that's but my pillow's broken, so I need a new one. And yeah, it probably need to fix the bed to have some insulation, and I have some ideas, you know, how to do that, and let's see how it turns out. Okay, so let's see. Okay, that was weird because I had no idea for what the lights were. But anyway, overall it was pretty good. It was I think my first night alone camping, and it's not too bad, you know, it's not too crazy. There's like some things in the tent you can do when you open and close it. You know, you have some loops, and you can, on the inside there's like a mechanism where you can put the loop in, and then you cannot open it from the outside, which is pretty nice. It gave me like a nice confident boost that no one gets in. Like obviously if you want to get in, you know, you can get in, but you need more force, and with the force I would probably wake up, and then, you know, I have a knife ready, or like in this case I had a screwdriver ready. But yeah, besides those small issues, pretty nice, but very cold in a nutshell. So, but it's definitely something I will do more often now once I fix the issues. The sleeping bags held, like the sleeping bags were fine. I was warm in the sleeping bag. The only issue was whenever my body touched the top side of the sleeping bag, I could feel the cold creeping in, you know. And for me, then this was like getting colder and colder, so not ideal. But you know, I put a t-shirt on, I put some pants on, and then it was all good. But yeah, that's it. Thank you very much for following along, coming along to Kelbra sea camping or seaside camping. In summer I think it's crazy busy with, like, because you can go swimming and whatnot, and there are different kind of areas to do stuff. Super nice, but next time I'm going to a different camping spot. The ones I have open I didn't do for this trip now. Okay,
they're leaving. So yeah, but the landscape is absolutely gorgeous, so I will definitely come back to the Harz region to explore more, to maybe go up the Brocken and you know, just explore more and have more fun, because it's absolutely fantastic. I love the roads, so yeah, it's definitely worth a trip, you know. Let's see, it's blocked. We'll see how it goes. Everything is crazy with all this, with everything, but we should be good. Anyway, super long outro, sorry about that. Have a good day, you know. Take care of yourself, take care of friends and family, enjoy yourself, you know. Take a break when you need to. It was definitely good for me to have like a small break, even though I'm not sure if I feel more relaxed, but I feel more at peace, I would say, because it's very calming, no crazy technology around and so on. So yeah, I feel good, you know, and that's what matters. Oh, thank you very much. Have a good one. Talk to you next one. Bye bye. Ciao.